welcome back to Tiana's World and Tia Verma because we're putting on both of the channels. So we are making the squishies. This is the part 2 of it. So we had to go eat. I mean, I had to go eat. So then we are going to be making it with this one. I had cotton for filling, but I don't think I want to put cotton. I want to put these plastic bags. Okay, now we're just going to do this, and then you know how we cut this in the part first, the part 1. So we put this at the bottom first. You know how we cut this? So you always have to put this at the bottom. Like, but you can't really see it. Okay, you can see it kind of, right? So you're supposed to put it like this. Put it like this at the bottom. A little more. Put it like this. Oh no. Yep, like that's how you put it. Put a little bit more. If you want, you can put it at the top too. Now we just have to put this or this at the top. So I'm gonna use this for one and that for one. But I can use whatever you want for the filling. You can put that. I'm gonna use duct tape to seal it. ASMR. See how do you like this thing? Okay. I found these from the house from Freshco. Okay, now you just have to carefully put it in. Carefully put it in. If you want, you could put like 2 of these thingies. How you put it at the front. So put 2 of these right there, like this. Now you just have to seal it. I think we'll need a bit. Like one more maybe. Yeah, one more would be good. There we go. And now I think I have to check if it's squishy enough. One more couldn't hurt. There we go. Now, how much it could fit in and it doesn't start coming out, you could put that much you want in there. Just leave a little bit space for it. So now, it's like this. Now, we just need duct tape to seal it. And it will go in my squishy collection. So then there's no bacteria or anything. Let's just check it from here. Okay, that's good. How many of you guys think we should get a nano tape squishy? I really want one of those. No, I don't think so. ASMR. Now just measure it, how much you think would be good. Even if you do more, that won't hurt or anything. Now just take the scissors and cut like this. And then just put this first. Okay, just check them. Just put this on the side there. Put this in. If you can, just kind of tape some of it to the ground, like kind of like stick it so it doesn't really go. And now you just have to seal it. If there's still some blank spaces, you may go ahead and just tape it too. Oh, no. Just make sure none of this goes and touches the tape. Mine is going touching the tape, so that's not supposed to happen. Just check if it's properly done, so just make sure it's properly, I mean very, very properly done and glued up. So first just do this, and then, it's really, really hard to make these squishies sometimes. Sometimes, very, very. I love making squishies at home more than buying them and just wasting your money on the squishies. squishies, you could make them at home. They're much fun. And the time passes your time too, so you won't have to worry with this. We just made it. First one's done. We just have to take this part because kinda. Are you watching my video? You just play the part, so make sure to. So, but okay, so put like this, and then just put it like this, and then just cut. There we go. That's how you're supposed to cut, and then here we go. That's how it is done. So done making this, and I think this is perfect. It's kind of tilty, but it's good. First one's done, and add it to my squishy collection. Now we have to do this one. I'm just fixing chai. This is mine, this is me. My custom cup. Indian chai. You want to see? Chai. That's me. Okay, now we just have to do the second thing, but it'll be a little bit more different. We might add a bit chai to it. Chai. I was just kidding, not chai, but cotton. So we're gonna add a little bit of cotton. So just add it first. Put it in here. And we'll just add chai colored paper. Just crumble it up and just crunch it up, and then just put it in there. Sprinkle some. Or you just watch it if this is on this concert because we're going there. We'll have to, okay. Just put it in here and then just sprinkle a little bit fairy dust. Just kidding, no fairy dust or anything. Sprinkle some chai colored paper. Second, it's in my eye, I think. The last and final bag. Now we're just gonna Arian, where is this? This is a minute peg. Okay. Near us. It's a bit near us, yeah. Let's find it first. I think it's right here. Yeah, it's just right here. Isn't this cool? Let me just find it. I don't want to. There we go. I think this is a good size. No, I don't want to get it stuck. this time. This is the hardest squishy you've ever made. Pink. It's fine. It's a little crumbled up, but that is fine. That one is nice. Here we go, and the second squishy is made. Look at the back, it's kind of crumbly with the duct tape, but it is fine. Now we're gonna add it to our squishy collection. And guys, I wanted to show you one more thing, just like. So I have made this flip book. Let me just show you that. So this is one flip book I made. Cinnamon roll in order. So Karumi. One second. So I'm going to set the camera up. Okay guys, we just made it. Okay. Cinnamon roll. And then comes Karumi. Then comes My Melody. Then Pajako. Then Pom Pom Puran. Hello Kitty. And then, I don't know how to pronounce this, but yeah. And then this guy. It's a hide and seek team thing I made. One more thing I have to show you guys. Let me just bring it. Guys, you know how McDonald's gives this type of stuff out, like Karumi stuff? I got Karumi and I got Karopi. So this is one more thing I wanted to show you guys. Karumi. I really wanted cinnamon roll, but I got Karumi. Guys, there's one more thing that I got this charm. The little panda in it, and then it says good luck. Pretty sure this is for St. Patrick's Day. We got it from Dubai. It's really, really cute. Guys, there's one more thing I want to show. I made this by hand. Cinnamon roll. At the back, I colored it with Poscas. The Poscas work really, really good. So satisfying. Thank you guys for watching, and part 2 is now done. We out. Peace.